Hey campers, welcome back to Metro RV, and well, we feel we've got the best value family bunk vans available in the country, possibly the world. It's negotiable. Definitely here in Preston, that's for sure. Orbit Discovery X 21'6", they're out of this world, dare I say. Now this is our standard van, so we're well, this is probably going to be our last one. 69,999 they start at, and well, we've got our high spec, which we've got up advertised for 75,555. This is our latest standard spec. So 21'6". Now, not that standard compared to most. Let's have a look around. Amazing what you can get for a lot of, and I mean a lot of van. We'll start gas bayonet, huge straight through tunnel boot, and I mean huge. You've got a little toolbox as standard, twin gas bottles, electronic stability control, a DO35 Cruise Master hitch, hot water, dual, so we've got 400 watts of solar, 200 watts, 200 amp hours of lithium battery, external shower, dual shock, rear trailing arm suspension, all got pedal suspension, all that type of thing. And I dare say we'll probably be a bit biased, but I reckon they look as good as anything that you're going to buy anywhere. So absolutely gorgeous they are. This is the back of your rear bunk, so you've got storage you can access from internally and externally. Safety day. Reversing camera standard even on your standard model. External table, TV points, power out the front, 12 volts, antenna jacks out the front, little LED light on your external table. A premium fly screen door. Geez, I'm struggling today with some of my very basic words. Now, lights, daylights, entry lights, whatever you want to call them, just wait there for a sec. Got your, no bugs, no bugs, no bugs. I think that's enough. Come in, this is where this thing gets really, and I mean really good. So, Sirocco fan, you got your little roof hatches, got a few little modes of light which may or may not come through on the video. Huge underbed storage, nice little trap door there, that's your service door for your hot water system if required. So 24-inch smart TV. They do pull them out and test them, just which is why it's open. So we just want to make sure that they're working before we hand them over. Now you'll notice leading there, 12-volt chargers to charge your phone, power point running straight through, so you can lay in bed and have your power your phone up and so on. Your TV mounts up here, so watch it in bed, spins around to come through with the TV to the dinette. Now huge dinette. Huge adjustable table, easily converts into an extra bed if you want it to. Now, got a full oven, fully recessed. Now the colours in this thing are, well, they've been insanely popular, so I'll give it that. Full oven. Slide out little pantry, your brains trust, so just all your solar rigs, water gauges. Now we've got two 100 litre fresh, 100 litre grey, 175 litre upside down, which is why we choose them. Fridge, freezer, compressor. Microwave. Now you've got your dual bunks, huge amounts of storage, and a washing machine. Now this van is available Now we're taking orders as well. We're turning them around in about 30 days, so which is not long in caravanning terms. I might just get you to go in there and open up the shower. So full shower, toilet. Great storage everywhere as well. It's child-proof, cameraman-proof. Now campers, as discussed, we're starting at 69, 999, 70 gram, which is an insane amount of caravan for the money. If you don't like the colours, don't like the fridge, you want a different air conditioner, we've got options to custom make, tailor make, whatever you like. Metro RV, Orbit Caravans, they're out of this world. Well, let us help you get out of this town anyway. Metro RV, thanks for looking, and hope to see you soon.